Side shot Saturday. Oh yeah. Oh, the Graham is gonna love these 2414s. Sheesh, look at that purple. That's not the filter. Instagram, what's up with these filters? That's not a good one either. What the heck? Like, what kind of filters are these? I can't find one that's good enough for this truck. This Wheel Wednesday is not gonna pop off without the right filter.
Hey bro, you're gonna need these first.
Oh wow. Woo! Here we go.
How do you like the smell? Remind you of a truck?
What in the hell? Here comes right.
Got two more. I only needed one, but you know, two never hurts.
Hey, you like black ice? Excuse me, sir. Do you like black ice? Do you like black ice air fresheners? No. You don't like them? We got 200. We'll give you some. That's pretty cool. All right, thank you. You don't like them? We got 200. You good? All right, man. Here we offer. Why do you have so many? Because
It's my felony forest.
buy all these? Yeah.
Worked it.
What's up, guy?
What's going on?
You like black ice? You smell the black ice in here? You want some black ice air
Oh
fresheners,
my
bud?
god, no, I don't think I do.
There
it's
you
like
go.
burning my nostrils.
Tell me about it.
It's not a good time. How'd you even fit that many on the rear view mirror?
Guess how many that is?
150.
200.
Ah, it's close. Yeah, it reeks. That's too much. That's too much.
Rainey, I literally hear exhaust and all I smell is that.
You like black ice, bud?
I'm a big guy for black ice, bud.
Oh, here you go, bud. Here.
Let's
Here,
go,
here.
bud.
Here you go, bud.
Yeah! Oh, I can smell it from here. Holy hell.
There's some black ice.
Oh. Oh my god. That's full.
200 black ice.
That's a full length
Oh
smell
my
right
God.
there. I can taste it. It tastes like AutoZone and middle schoolers that go to ride with their high school big brother
Yes.
at the age of 17 and a half.
Yes.
Rainey walked up to my desk and my eyes started watering.
My bad. We'll never know. Buddy, you know, I got a tool does a way better job than this to make this job way easier. Guy, your desk's a little wobbly. I can get you a screwdriver, level that out for you if you need. I got one with.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Let me go get it. Did I hear you say you need a wrench? Yeah, hold on. I got one.
All right, I'm gonna head out to lunch. I don't think I'm gonna go to lunch. Let's go to the range. Yeah, maybe you should try the back. Yeah, you might have to move some stuff around back there.